together. Into turn number 1 they go, and right in towards the Coca-Cola corner they go. They're coming in there. On 56 coming across the east side. That's young Gap from the United States, that's Philip Ryan. 35 is young Redo from France in second place now. Up and away, that's the charge of the light brigade now. He's towards the Coca-Cola corner now, and they're coming home in 5 pursuit, and it's going to be over the line. That looks like it's coming up over. Forward trying to pass, finish over, but no one comes in. Takes it away from him.
Christ! The start was fantastic. I didn't get up for any practice this morning. I missed my practice, and when I come down, I've been limbering up, going up down the big hill. I was on the gate, and I anticipated it just right. When I come out, I just got a fantastic lead, and it made it so I could just cruise a little bit more into the first corner because it was pretty dangerous. I got a bit of a scuffle with Xavier Redwire at the end, but other than that, I got it pretty well. I was pretty pleased.